Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce vehicle costs with Carvana, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce vehicle costs with Carvana, begin by visiting the Carvana website. Create an account if you haven't already. Browse their extensive inventory of used cars. Use the filters to narrow down your options based on preferences like make, model, price range, and mileage. Check for any special promotions or deals on the homepage. Once you find a vehicle that interests you, review its detailed listing. Look for pricing transparency, which includes the vehicle's history and valuation. Consider using Carvana's financing options to compare interest rates. Utilize the pre-qualification feature to get an idea of your financing options without impacting your credit score. Take advantage of their 7-day return policy to ensure you're satisfied with your vehicle. Evaluate your vehicle trade-in value by obtaining a quote from Carvana's online tool. Input the details of your current vehicle to receive an instant offer. Finalize your trade-in deal, which can reduce the overall cost of your new purchase. Opt for delivery to your home, which may save on transportation costs. Explore Carvana's no-haggle pricing model for a straightforward buying experience. Keep an eye on fees such as title and registration, which can affect your total expense. Consider purchasing a vehicle from Carvana's introductory selection to find more budget-friendly options. Review warranty and protection plans offered with your purchase. If eligible, explore military or student discounts that can further lower vehicle costs. Track market trends for your desired vehicle to ensure you are getting a competitive price. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your vehicle costs while using Carvana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.